Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 suddenly shows a black screen or appears completely unresponsive, it can be frustrating because you lose access to your schedules, tasks, and family events. A blank display on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 can happen because of temporary software glitches, power interruptions, screen brightness settings, or startup issues. Fortunately, a black screen doesn't always mean that the display itself has failed. Before considering a replacement or contacting support, there are several simple troubleshooting methods you can try. In this video, I'll walk you through a few steps that may help bring your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 screen back to normal. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is receiving power and that the adapter is firmly connected. Step 2. Disconnect the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 from the outlet and leave it unplugged for several minutes. Step 3. Reconnect the power cable to the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and wait for the device to restart. Step 4. Check whether the brightness settings on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 have been reduced. Step 5. Allow the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 enough time to finish loading and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Step 6. Confirm that the display on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is active and showing calendar information normally.